Here we are at Module 0, Topic 1, Homework 1 on the syllabus. And you need to download a copy of the workbook in order to do this homework assignment. And the link is here, but there are actually two links. And it's important to use the right one. And but I want to demonstrate both of them. So, if you just click the link with your left mouse button on a Windows system, it does the download. And you can see over here, it's come to my desktop because I set that as the destination for my downloads. Depending on what browser you're using and what your settings are, it may go somewhere else. But the first point I want to emphasize is that you need to take this file and save it somewhere so you can keep going back to the same copy of the file. Because when you open the workbook, you'll find that it's a big 650-page PDF form that I've written with homework exercises. So, basically what I've done is over the years, every time anybody was confused about something, I just throw in another worksheet. So by now I have one for every topic in the semester. Now, to open it, this is another consideration because although you can open it and view it with a variety of different applications, it produces strange effects with the font sometimes. And so I can only verify that you'll get good results if you open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is free. You can download and install that program. The Adobe, www.adobe.com website, scroll down to the bottom and you can download Adobe Reader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click on the icon for the file, and I'm going to select this Open With. And on a Windows system, the way you can set the default for what to open these with is you can go down to the bottom and say choose another app. And then I'm selecting Adobe Acrobat Reader, and I'm checking the little checkbox that says always use this app to open PDF files. And then I'll say OK. And it'll open it up. And here's the workbook. Now, there's an introduction. Well, let me just kind of page through it a little bit. The title page, there's a preface, and there's a table of contents, and these are all active links. So you can click on a heading, and it will take you to that page in the workbook. I've also, in Adobe Reader, you have this bookmarks menu. Clicking the little bookmark icon over here on the left side, and that gives you the navigation. So you can navigate through the workbook. Okay. So that's how you download the workbook, and I'll talk to you about submitting the assignments in a separate video. But right now, let me put that away. I just want to contrast that with the other thing that you can do when you're not going to do a homework assignment, when you're just reading in the workbook. if you see where I'm pointing here on the screen, there's this little picture of a document next to the link for the workbook. And if you click on that, well, it takes a few minutes. Well, at least with a small PDF file, it'll open a little previewer and it'll show you the file right inside your browser. But the problem with that is that the editing doesn't work, and it's effectively downloading a new copy every time you do it. So use the underlined word here, and don't use the little icon over there, except when you're just wanting to preview small files. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to actually do the homework in the workbook and upload that in a separate video. Okay, so that's all for now.